Up first this evening, there are complaints from some business people in Montego Bay that the shutting down of certain nightlife activities in the city is affecting the country's main tourism exchange earner tourism and foreign exchange earner tourism and leaving a bitter taste in the mouths of visitors.
At least two popular club operators in Montego Bay believe special consideration should have been given to ensure their business continues and visitors enjoying their stay. TVJ's KIRK WRIGHT has a primetime news exclusive.
On Fridays, visitors flock Pier 1 on the waterfront in Montego Bay. Busloads from hotels begin arriving at 10. Inside, the energy is high, so some visitors warm up from the outside. Under the state of emergency, opening hours for businesses and places of amusement are drastically reduced. Clubs in the city are usually in full swing until 4 in the morning. Now, they have to shut down at midnight. And the cops arrived just in time to ensure the law is upheld. A girls' night out for Bright cut short. The group was on their way out no sooner after arriving. When asked, the bride and her team said they knew nothing about Mobe being under a state of emergency. They left disappointed, not wanting to comment. Others vented their frustration.
I'm sad. I've been waiting and waiting to do this for a long time. So I love Pier 1. It's my favorite place.
My feelings were hurt because I'm from Atlanta, Georgia. So, we party till, 3 a.m., 4 a.m. It's my birthday, so I thought I was going to party later, but it's 12 and we're already ending. So I really would have loved to stay because it was so much fun. The DJ was great, though. We really had fun, but I wish we could have stayed later.
Wildfire was a bit more understanding.
It was disappointing, but, if I guess the law is the law.
Jason Russell supports the restrictions under the state of emergency to help curb Mobe's crime. But he thinks since visitors spend hard-earned cash to vacation in Jamaica, they should be given preferential treatment.
They sign contracts, and that contract is booking a vacation, paying for it up front, coming to Jamaica and expecting fun and sun and the nicest trip they're going to get in their lives, and that's what we've sold them. To me, it's very important that we fulfill that promise, even though we have personal problems, local problems that we must address.
At close to midnight, when the DJ at the Moods nightclub should be inside pumping the music, he's outside with nothing to do. Still, there are flashing lights and music inside, and the dancers have all turned up to strut their stuff. But with no patrons, there is no vibe.
Right now, boss, nothing now go on. It's very bad. From last night till now, nobody will get inside. We're just here by ourselves. It make the business bad, very bad. The time when them give with it close, that's the time when people would have just come out. So we're just here, just looking, nothing more to do.
Andrew, an employee at the club, says before the state of emergency, the club would swing at nights into the wee hours. He feels it's unfair that the club has to suffer. Andrew thinks there should be a balance.
Them know who them are look for and them know who do all the wrongs. The club now do nothing wrong.
KIRK WRIGHT, TVJ News.